Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our cash envelope stuffing for our everyday spending wallet, which is this is a wallet that I carry with me to control my spending, to make sure that I don't overspend in different categories. All right, so this is going to be the first paycheck of November 2022, guys, and this is pretty much like a zero-based budget system. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead, let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our wallet, and I am going to tell you guys about this in just a little bit, but let's just go ahead and stuff our wallet first, because y'all know that's what we got to do. Okay, so y'all, and I got to tell y'all something. I mean, it might not be really good news to you guys, but it is like exciting to me, so I'm gonna tell y'all. I mean, it's not big, I'm serious. All right, so for this stuffing, we're going to be doing $345, and I do get paid bi-weekly, and then also I pay myself for my side hustle, so that is extra money that I get also. So let's go ahead and count to make sure that this is correct. So we got 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, ooh, 42, 43, 44, 45. And I don't have a lot of cash in here because I unstuffed my wallet. I started doing that like on my TikTok and stuff like that. It's actually super fun doing it on my TikTok and Instagram. So I unstuffed my wallets there. Yeah, just to make like little cool videos and stuff like that. All right. Oh, and that is called A Pink Cloth Life, the same as this is. So make sure, guys, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, guys, please make sure to subscribe to join the family, because, you know, I want you here. All right, I might be able to slide this down a little bit. What y'all think? Good? Okay. All right, so let's hop into this. All right, so this was my news, y'all. I bet y'all probably like, what, Tina? Really? My news was boba. Y'all, I found some boba tea at, because I know someone had put in the comments, like I told you guys, I'm a little behind on reading them, but I do read them. Somebody said I can go to Costco or BJ's to get it, and I was like, well, why not check my local Sam's member club and see that. So we actually found some boba tea. It's like brown sugar. So I am going to still keep my envelope because I'm going to buy my boba tea from that, because that stuff was like $11 or $12, but it was like 10 packets in there or something like that. But I do like the fruit ones, and I hope that they do start making the fruity ones, because I'm gonna be all over that. But y'all, I didn't hit like probably like, I don't know, I ain't telling y'all. No, I had about like one bubble tea or two. Can't remember. Can't remember. All right, so boba, we are actually going to be doing $10. So we're going to do one $10 bill. All right, so next we have crisp, and crisp is $10 that we're going to be adding, and we're going to do one $10 bill. And we already have $5 in here, which I almost skipped because I took that and I rolled it over. And for those of you guys who always ask me what crisp is just basically a bomb. I'm gonna put 5 here. A bomb salad place. Like, it is the bomb. Okay, yeah, the bomb. All right, so next we're gonna do, and I put that in here. People are like, why do you have an envelope for a salad place? Because it is something that I use to treat myself when I do, like, when I work hard or I put in extra hours at, you know, the stuff that I do. I want to reward myself, and plus, y'all, that is a healthy reward. Healthy, good reward. All right, so gas. Gas, I was going to do $50, but I did do one of those hurry up and run stops, so I did take $25 out of that. So we're actually only going to be doing $25. So we're going to do a 20 and a 5. And someone did message me about this $20 bill. So I can't remember where the message came from. I told y'all I have messages coming from like my Instagram, messages coming from my TikTok, messages coming from my website, messages coming from my Gmail. Yeah, I got messages coming everywhere. All right, so we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. So we got 85 for our gas, and we had 60, but we're pretty good with, not too bad with that. All right, so next we have eat out. So eat out, we are going to do actually $35. So I'm going to do 2 10s. Not that way, not a 20. We're going to do 2 5s, and then we're going to do 5 1s because I want to have small bills. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So that way, we can do to make sure that we give pretty much, ooh, can't put that in there, pretty much good tips. And these wallets, guys, I'm getting them in stock. I'm trying to do what I can, because I have a lot going on, so like new things that I want to bring. So these are coming back in stock. I'm not sure when, but they are coming. So next we have beauty. Now for my beauty, we are actually going to add $20, so this will be $35. All right, so now I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about beauty. So beauty, because I do my nails for my website, I mean not for my website, well, I mean, I do take pictures for my website because I do my nails for my YouTube. It's part of my business. So y'all, I can take that as a business expense. So instead of putting and taking that out of my, y'all, my beauty envelope, y'all, I'm gonna start doing it as out of my business, so that, yeah, I don't know why I was not thinking about that. So $20 will go into beauty. So yeah, ain't that crazy? So that's what I'm gonna start doing that as. All right, so next we have Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree will get $10, and we're gonna do a $10 bill. And for Christmas, y'all, they be having some cool little Christmas stuff, like little ornaments. So I am definitely going to put something in my Dollar Tree envelope. All right, so next we have Aiden. So Aiden, I've already unstuffed, and I already put that in his sinking funds binder. So that is already taken care of, but little buddy is going to actually get $25 today. So we're going to do 20, and we're going to do a 5. So that's 20, 25. Now I do have a lot of change that I have to get rid of. I'm going to show you guys. And I still haven't dumped this out. It's just piling up, so yeah. So I still have that I have to dump. And y'all, when I went to this little thrift store, I don't know what to call it, not thrift, but it's kind of like a little store that have bins. Y'all, I found this cool little bank in there, and a little buddy was like, "Mommy, you have to get it. It's for your," he said, "it's for your channel or for my planner." And I'm like, "Okay, little buddy, I'll get it." But it's super cool. I haven't opened it yet, and it was super cheap. I think I got it for like $7, I think. And it has like the little dowel or whatever, but I haven't opened it. But I don't know, I'm gonna try it out and see what I figure out about it. Yeah, so I mean, Aiden said, "Mommy, you gotta get it." And you know, I always try to like encourage him with like, you know, doing the things that like this. So I just said, okay, I'll get it, that's fine. All right, so next we have giving. So giving, we're gonna do $10. So we're gonna actually do one $10 bill. And we do have some cash in here. And then usually like this, I just basically get like my coworkers some things, or if somebody, you know, just buy somebody a coffee, or, you know, in line. And if somebody is, you know, short something, you can kind of be like, "Hey, I'll get that for you." You know, just something, do something nice for someone. All right, so next we have household. And we're going to do $20. And we did go to Sam's to get paper towels and everything like that. So we only need 20. So that should last us a long time. Next we have personal. And y'all, I got me some Croc boots. I don't know if y'all have seen those before, but yeah, people will be like, "Girl, what is those?" But they're like boots, and they're Crocs, but they have holes so you can't wear them in the snow. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so I did get some of those. So those were pretty cute. And they were just at TJ Maxx, so they were like super cheap. So they weren't like expensive. So we're only going to do $25. So we got a 20 and a 5. Oops. And I'm getting 2 5s, so 20, 25. All right, so groceries. We don't got none, so we need to go get some groceries. So we're going to do $115 for groceries. So we're going to do, let's do 2 50s. We're going to do a 10 and a 5. And I got a lot of stuff that I need. So we got 50, 100, 10, 15. I got most like stuff that I need to like add to other stuff that I can make meals. So that's what that is. My handwriting is horrible on this thing. All right, so next we have budgeting, and budget gets 0. All right, and I got to make sure I use my CVS extra bucks. I got to make sure they don't run out. And I got to scan my fetch rewards. For my receipts, I have to do that. All right, I don't even know why I have this calculator, because I don't even need it. Okay, y'all, so this is my new little binder. This is like my prototype. I'm trying it out to see how it works. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. So it's kind of basically just the same as this, but it's just not the crop. All right, y'all know I always like trying to do like some fun stuff. Okay, so this says important seeking funds binder. So this is my important one. And I just put a little, what do you call it, cover sheet. So these little envelopes right here, I did clear ones, and these are how they look, and they do actually pop out. I don't have these in my shop yet because I am basically just testing this out to see, because I wanted a bigger envelope. And y'all, little buddy made this one. I'm gonna show you guys this one. Look at this. He did the glitter. The other ones don't have glitter on the back, so I told him, I was like, you can just get the glitter, go crazy, make mommy an envelope. So he was helping me, and look at this, y'all. He went crazy with the glitter. Ain't that crazy? And then he did. He's like, I want to put some on the back. So I told him, I was like, you make it however you want to make it, Aiden. So he did, and that's what my little buddy came up with. So I told him, I said, I love it. So that right there. And then I just have all of my important ones. And I am actually going to be adding to electric today. And I think electric, we were going to do $10. Where did I do with my pen? My pen, that's why I'll use this. Okay, so this is 11. And I think I need to get more ink for that. All right, there we go. I got like 2 or 3 of those. So we're going to add cash. And then we are going to add $20 to this. So we got 120, so that's how much we should have in there. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 20. So that is totally right. So yeah, these are kind of like A5 size, a little bit bigger. I just wanted something bigger than what I had. And we are actually going to be adding to home, and we're going to be adding $10. So we got 11, so we got to add cash, and then we're going to add $10, so that should give us 185. And this is what this looks like here. All right, so we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. Yep, and that looks about right. And yeah, I think this, I like the little glitter. Okay, and then we're gonna do, all right, we're going to Woda, that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna add $10 to that, y'all. All right, so we got 11, so add cash at $10, so that should be 110. All right, so let's count to make sure we're good. So we got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. Yep, they're exactly right. I need to put that back there. All right, y'all, we are pretty much done. Done. All right, so we have done our cash envelope stuffing, and then we did add to our sinking funds. And like I said, you don't have to add a whole bunch to your sinking funds. You don't have to hit every single envelope every single time. You just do whatever you can. Don't make it stressful, make it fun for yourself. That way you will keep at it. So if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram or my TikTok and follow me, it's called A Pink Cloth Life. Make sure that you follow me there, guys, because I would love it. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family, guys. Won't cost you anything, because look, I know you're on a budget. All right, I know you're on a budget. All right, and then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.